lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello po Pisces, so this is for your monthly reading. This is for your March of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Huwag po kayong matakot sumali sa live sessions. Mababait po yung tao doon, very friendly, no? And I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Pisces, magsimula na tayo. Pisces, Pisces, Pisces. This is who's supposed to be you are. The dream state, di ba? Ito yung tinatawag na si Pisces ang may pinakamalalim na imahinasyon sa ating zodiac, di ba? Lahat ng posible, lahat ng imposible, posible kay Pisces, no? Especially doon pa lang sa the way how Pisces think. Pero parang feeling natin, we're shedding skin, no? Dahil may mga bagay na you're trying to manifest, pero feeling mo hindi nangyayari, might as well. Tumalikod na kaya ako sa pagiging Pisces ko? Ayan. Tumalikod na kaya ako sa, you know, yung pagkakaroon ng pag-asa, pagkakaroon ng, kasi parang feeling mo, one-sided lang ito, no? Whether it is trabaho, finances, romance, family, parang feeling mo one-sided lang, no? Parang feeling mo ikaw lang yung dapat nagtatrabaho, ikaw lang dapat yung kumikilos, ikaw lang, sa'yo lang nanggagaling itong source. Feeling mo nagagamit tayo, no? So ngayon, parang medyo tinatamad-tamad tayo, nag-iisip-isip tayo ngayon, tama pa ba itong ginagawa ko? Tama ba itong nangyayari sa akin? Kasi kumbaga, ang habang panahon na ginugol mo sa pag-iisip, sa pagpaplano, sa i-invest, no? Your time itself is an investment for you to achieve something, pero parang feeling mo may mga tao talaga na sinira yung plano, may mga tao na pilit kang dinadrag pababa, no? Para hindi gawin itong mga ninanais mo. So parang sinabi mo ngayon, para saan pa? No, huwag tayong ganun. Para sa'yo. Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, you're waiting for something. And this something might be with the Three of Wands is a sign. So if you're looking for a sign, this could be your sign. Kumilos ng maaga, gumising ng maaga, agapan ang mga bagay-bagay. You know, prevention is better than cure. Now, with the Four of Cups, so, dapat kasi medyo, kung parang feeling natin robotic na itong mga nangyayari, try to change something. Even, you know, pagising lang ng maaga, no? It may sound cliche kasi madali sa'yo yan. Hindi. I've been through this and I am into this situation. Para sa hindi po nakakaalam, Pisces din po ako and malapit na birthday ko. Okay? So, what I'm doing in here is I am also trying to change a bit. Hindi kailangan ng drastic change. Small steps, sabi nga ni Martin Luther King, no? A small step. You don't have to see the whole staircase. Just step forward. And someday you'll see na doon ka na pala sa tuktok. One day at a time. Now with the Judgment and the Ace of Pentacles. So, isa lang din sa mga masasabi natin dito is try to save. Hindi kinakailangang malaki, pwede ring malaki, but what is important in here is for you to save something for yourself. Um, dahil Pisces has the tendency to actually give everything 100%, no? I think that this is also the time for you to invest on your dreams, invest on something, invest on what will make you, kung paano pa ito manganganak, no? Um, probably it could be a business, it could be just itabi mo lang yan for rainy days, or kung tama na yung panahon, pwede mo siyang bunutin. No, with the Two of Pentacles and the Six of Cups. I think that there's also someone here that we are missing if this is relationship. It may be that we are missing the part wherein we started, no? Na meron tayong karelasyon ngayon, feeling natin ang saya-saya natin, no? Which is masaya naman nung una. Nagkaroon na ng mga challenges, ngayon mas pinipili mo sanang gusto mong matulog instead of, kasi parang feeling mo nakakapagod na. What I am seeing in here is, if this is something like an event from the past, you want to experience it again, or if this is a person, no, kung meron kayong separation nito ni person, I feel like you want this person to return in your life or ikaw ang bumalik, it doesn't matter kasi parang ang dull-dull ng buhay, no? Walang saya. So, lately, parang siguro feeling din natin palagi tayong pagod. It could also be we are in this state of, kasi nga dito tayo sa moon cycle, no? And sa planetary alignment, wherein things are little heavy for Pisces. But this is temporary. Kaya nga, pwede rin, no? Pwede tayong mag-give in. Pero kung if it doesn't help us, pwede tayong lumaban, no? Labanan natin itong katamaran. Kasi, in a way, no, aminin natin, medyo dinadrag tayo. Masyado nating ibinibigay yung atensyon doon sa pagod, no? Tama lang, kasi kung pagod ka, magpahinga ka. Pero kung napapansin mo ay, for the whole day, no, ang gising lang ako ng 4 na oras. Kung minsan lang ito nangyayari, give it to yourself. Pero kung sa loob ng 1 linggo, no, parang 4 na beses na nangyayari, there might be something wrong, no? With the King of Swords, try to wake up, no? Try to, I think, ito yung sinasabi mo masyadong, or probably, if not waking up, try to continue the dream, no? Siguro kasi ito yung sinasabi natin, meron na tayong mga pangarap, panaginip, no? Paggising natin, hindi natin naalala. There's something in our intuition, dreams, doon muna tayo sa dreams, na it could be a message, no? Try nating alalahanin. Or if this is something na pangarap, huwag mo naman bitawan, no? Nagsimula ka na eh. Nag-invest na tayo. So what are we waiting in here? Kasi medyo matagal yung kasi the Hermit, no? Hermit is a sign of a long period of waiting as well. Kasi wala namang pinanganak na ermitanyo agad. So ang Hermit, it takes time, no? And parang ginugugol nila yung time nila mag-isa, ginugugol nila yung time nila sa kuweba to gain knowledge, di ba? Siguro you may find yourself lonely at this current moment or alone. So magkaiba yun. You may be alone but not lonely. I feel like yung loneliness, ina-associate mo lang siya sa pagiging alone. And I feel that's the reason why parang feeling mo down na down tayo with the Three of Wands and the Queen of Wands. So you try to say it, no? Do it more with manifestations, do it more with what? I feel like kailangan medyo sinasabi natin ito, ibinubunga nga natin siya with the Knight of Swords and the Seven of Cups. One day at a time, no? Feeling ko ang dami-dami nating gustong mangyari so far, which is okay naman. Kasi madami tayong kumbaga reserba, no, na mga pangarap. Hindi lang natin alam kung ano yung sisimulan. Kung ano yung pinakamadali at kung ano yung kailangan nitong araw na ito, yun siguro ang dapat natin gawin with the Ace of Cups and the Hangman. So, iniisip mo ba na matutupad pa ito? Mangyayari pa ba ito? Ayaw kita, I think si Cancer, a Gemini, no, ang ginawan ko nito kasi ayokong iwan ka na nakahang and birthday mo pa naman, no? So, let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng ibang message from the universe, ha? Aside from this. Kasi parang nakahang tayo dito sa situation na to na parang you're still hoping, waiting for things to happen. So, ang tanong, kailan ba? May katuparan ba, no? Wheel of Fortune, the Devil, ito lang yan. Kasi you have the tendency, i-clarify natin the Devil card with the Page of Swords and the Chariot. May tendency kasi na Pisces na pwede tayong magsimula or magaling tayong magsimula pero hindi natin tinatapos, no? Dahil sa dami ng gusto nating gawin, sisimulan natin, bubuksan natin lahat. And then, mapapagod tayo kasi, ang dami naman pala niyan. Kung binuksan mo yung isa, no? At nag-focus ka doon, baka may natapos ng isa, tsaka na yung isa. Ang nakikita natin dito, you have the tendency to give it all in or opening things up and then yung ningas kugon nga. But kung magagawa natin to ng maayos, there might be some challenges right now. Ito yung tinatawag natin ng either katamaran or may tawag dun yung pagiging anxious or hindi procrastination ang tawag may right term, no? Parang you're putting things aside. So try to pick it up one day at a time, no? Kahit paano kumilos tayo. Nag-open na rin ang portal, no? And kung magagawa natin to ng smoothly, ng right amount, nang hindi ka feeling mo pagod, no? Kasi parang feeling mo na exhaust tayo. One day at a time. After this, pahinga. Then, balik, no? Matatapos din ito. Surpassing the challenges. And what I am seeing is signing of a contract. And I hope that you're not signing of a contract with Katamaran. Kasi you have two choices in here. The Wheel of Fortune, which is your abundance. Abundance may mean literally different for other people. Abundance may mean literally pera, time, damit, pagkain, sasakyan, no, or peace of mind. Are we signing up with a contract with this? Choose your, kasi wala namang madali dito, no? Lahat ito medyo may effort, no? Choose your hard. Are you going to choose the hard way or choose the hard way with, a result of abundance or a result of losing? I feel like you're surpassing things. You just have to open your things up into something really productive. Kung pwedeng umalis, lumabas-labas, no? Whatever makes you happy. But I feel like masyado rin tayong nasa dream state. Pwede rin, no? So, kailangan natin i-shaken things up or baka masyado naman tayong awake, kailangan natin, right balance in here. Kasi ang nakikita ko, if you have the right balance, hindi mo mamamalayan na natatapos mo ang mga bagay-bagay. Hindi mo mamamalayan na na-achieve mo, no, itong relationship na gusto mo, na-achieve mo itong trabaho gusto mo, na-achieve mo itong finances, no, na gusto mo or bank accounts na gusto mong makuha. Napakaganda, pero kailangan ng masusing obserbasyon, no? And this observation will come from you, no? Ikaw yung magbabalance nito. Let's get some more cards here, Pisces, para po sa mga bago. Gusto ko lang po ipaalala na doon po sa ating kabilang channel, which is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So, nagla-live po tayo doon. Pwede kayong sumali. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayong tumawag, no? Or tumawag, mag-message, or magtanong na rin dito sa comment section. Ayan. Pero kung hindi nyo po maaabutan, or hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso po kayo dun sa ating website, no? There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Ayan. Kasi po, discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So, I need you to help me. I think that this is your soul asking a help coming from you. Walang ibang tutulong sa'yo, Pisces. I mean, this is your other side asking a help from you. Magaling tayo, no? Tumulong sa iba, pero kailan natin tutulungan ang sarili natin? We are always there when someone asks us to help them. 100% nandun tayo. Pero minsan tinatamad tayo when ourselves asking for help, no, parang pinapagpabukas pa natin. Wag ganun. This is the time wherein you need to invest time to yourself, no? You are so much closer to a powerful breakthrough than you may realize. You have been praying for all things to heal. I think kung ano man itong pinagdadaanan mo, finances man, no? Merong isang malaking sorpresa na hindi mo inaasahan. With the Wheel of Fortune nga in here, baka it will just land on your lap. Huwag mo lang titigilan, no? Huwag ka lang mawawala sa focus. Ayan. Opportunities to appear. New opportunities to appear. Relationships to improve, and these prayers will be answered so soon. And this is a promise from the universe na hindi matatapos itong buwan na ito, na kung ano man yung hina-harvest mo, no? Or tinanim mo at gusto mong i-harvest, whether it is the amount of money, whether it is the relationship, no? Positions, sa trabaho, career, what have you, no? Ma-achieve mo yan. Or yung sabihin natin peace or health ng relationship, or health ng family, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person kung this is a romantic relationship or romantic reading. I'm seeing Pisces, Scorpio, Leo, Virgo, Taurus, Sagittarius, Cancer, Capricorn, Virgo. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, given. Libra is here. Yeah, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, nandito rin. Yan, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po, no, sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best.